Hey everyone, welcome back. You know how much we love to geek out about the big questions, right?
The really big ones.
Exactly. And today, we're taking a deep dive into something that's, well, let's be honest, it's kind of mind-blowing. Parallel universes.
The multiverse.
You got it. And you know what really got us thinking about this one?
Dark Matter, that sci-fi show, right?
Ding, ding, ding. We got an excerpt all about how the show takes this whole parallel universe thing and just, like, throws gasoline on it.
Yeah.
And it got us asking, what if every single choice we make, every little decision, creates a whole new reality?
It's a bit of a rabbit hole, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. So for anyone who hasn't had the chance to check out Dark Matter yet, it's about this physicist, Jason Dessen.
Super smart guy, working on some pretty groundbreaking stuff.
And suddenly, bam, he's abducted. Next thing he knows, he's waking up in a totally different life.
Different family, different job, everything. It's like someone hit the reset button on his reality.
Totally. And the excerpt we're looking at, it really digs into this idea of paths not taken, you know? It made me think, how many times have you wondered, what if I had made a different choice back then? What would my life be like now?
It's a question we all wrestle with, right? But in the world of dark matter, it's not just a thought experiment. It's his reality.
And that's where the whole multiverse theory comes in.
Which, believe it or not, isn't just some wild sci-fi concept. It has roots in actual physics, specifically quantum mechanics.
Quantum mechanics. That always sounds so intimidating.
I know, right? But stick with me because it's actually pretty fascinating. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. Before it lands, it's both heads and tails at the same time. That's kind of like superposition, a key idea in quantum mechanics.
Okay, I think I'm starting to get it. So things can be in multiple states at once until we actually observe them, like that spinning coin.
You got it. Now apply that to the universe. Imagine every single time a choice is made, a measurement is taken, reality splits. It's like that spinning coin landing on heads in one universe and tails in another.
Whoa. So every single choice creates two new universes.
Potentially. It's called the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. And it gets pretty wild. We're talking infinite universes, each with its own unique set of outcomes based on all the choices that have been made. Think about all the possibilities.
Okay, my brain is officially melting a little,
Yeah.
but it's cool. So if there are infinite possibilities, what could those other realities actually look like?
Well, the excerpt mentions some pretty wild stuff. I mean, some universes might be pretty close to ours, right? Maybe you just had cereal for breakfast instead of toast this morning. But
Oh.
others, totally different laws of physics, different historical events, maybe even humans never evolved.
Okay, now you're just messing with me. So in one universe, I could be like a rock star instead of a podcaster.
Hey, you never know. But the excerpt actually focuses on something even more mind-bending. What if you met another version of yourself from one of those other realities?
Yeah. It dives into the emotional and psychological impact of seeing yourself, but different, having made different choices. Like, would I even recognize myself?
Right. And how would you feel? Would you be jealous? Would you judge them? Maybe you'd learn something from their experiences. Would you even still feel like you are you? Dark matter really makes you grapple with those questions.
That's what makes it so good, right? It
Yeah.
takes this abstract concept and makes it personal. It's not just about alternate realities. It's about identity, choices, and how those things define us. And our excerpt, it takes that even further, suggesting that maybe meeting another version of ourselves could lead to, like, an existential crisis.
It makes you question everything. Like, if there are infinite versions of me out there all making different choices, does it even matter what I do in this reality?
Right. Does free will even exist if every single choice is already playing out somewhere in the multiverse?
It's a real head scratcher. And maybe, just maybe, there are no right or wrong answers. But pondering the question itself, I think that's where the real value lies.
Exactly. And that's what dark matter is all about. It takes these big, complicated ideas about parallel universes and makes us think about our own lives, our own choices, our own place in the grand scheme of things.
Whether or not you believe in the multiverse theory, dark matter forces you to consider the what ifs.
Absolutely. So, folks, if you're ready for a mind-bending journey, dark matter is your ticket. And who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to do a little more research on quantum mechanics and the multiverse. It's a rabbit hole worth going down, trust me. Until next time, keep those big questions coming.